Summer's upon us, and this is Hey you guys, my name is Money, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some ways to dress modest during the summertime. Now, if you do not know, I do love Jesus very, very much, and this is a gift that he has given me, and my main goal is to teach people how to dress modest. Now, like I always say, I wear skirts in my videos, but if you do not like skirts, you can always swap it out with some pants or anything appropriate. Today, our main focus is on summer looks. A lot of times during the summer, we struggle with dressing modest because it's very hot where you're at, and you're just like, I want to put less clothes on, but you want to be more covered. So today I'm going to show you guys, even though it's hot outside, you can still be fully covered. You guys ready? Let's go. I always start off with the first look I have on now. This look is a very simple look. We are doing color blocking with this look. I love how flowy, not layering too much. The only thing I have on is a undershirt. Because it is getting hot outside, wherever you're at, it's probably extremely hot. So because of that, we want to be mindful and not put too many layers on. So with this outfit, it's just a simple skirt and an undershirt and the long sleeve top. And this top is very thin. I always say when it comes to jewelry, wear what's comfortable with you. I wear jewelry. I love jewelry. I tend to wear it with my outfits. I don't wear it when it comes to church and stuff like that because of, you know, the church I'm at, but I like wearing jewelry. Like I said before, this outfit is a much more of a color blocking outfit. So I'm wearing green, I'm wearing pink, I'm wearing hot pink, and I'm wearing a bright orange shoe, and I topped it with some clip-on earrings and put it on the heel for the silver look. You can add a purse to this, a multicolored purse or a simple colored purse to this look. But yes, I love this look. I love just how baggy but like just fitting it looks. Like it gives like a beach type of vibe, a flowy type of look. So I really like this outfit. This second look is a beach look. Now you can just wear this dress but it has the arms and stuff out. What I did use is a shawl. I pulled the color from the dress. Now you can use an orange one or a yellow one. Anyone that's going to basically pull from that color. I actually think I like the yellow more than the orange, I believe. And I'm going to just basically put it over my arms. Let's say this is a beach look. I'm not gonna be wearing shoes. I'll probably have some sandals or something like that. But yeah, this is a much more calm look. It is bright. I tell you, I love bright colors. Because it is thin, it's not a lot of weight and heat on you. You don't feel like I gotta take all these layers off because it's just too much on me. So yeah, right here is a simple look. I will say this is like a lunch brunch type of look, or you can say you can actually go on the beach with this look too. But I'm using a shawl. It's kind of like a poncho type of top. Basically what I did was I put an undershirt under, and I used a skirt, a little midi skirt, and some heels with it. Now, like I said, if you're going to the beach, I wouldn't probably wear heels to the beach or nothing like that. Now, some people may prefer that. I wouldn't. I'm going to have my feet in the sand. So with that, it's a simple look. You would say it's kind of color blocking with this one too, but I wouldn't say too much color blocking. I'm using different types of colors with this. I'm putting kitten heels with this. I'm pulling from the kitten heels. I'm pulling from the top. I did add accessories to my hair. I did some earrings and stuff like that, but it's kind of giving that 2000 girl look. But yeah, I am into the cowgirl look. I would say this is like a farm girl aesthetic type of look. I put some cow boots, the white skirt. You put some bow rest. I put a big bow, or any type of look you want to do with this. I put an olive green purse with this, and then I put like some white socks under. But I did use a balloon skirt with this with the top. I really love the top. I love how you can tie it in the front. This is a really simple, cute look. I did do some simple jewelry with this one. This is one of I will say my favorites. The farm girl type of look. You can do a photo shoot with this, or you can go outing or date, basically on a day out on the town type of thing like that. But yeah, this look is really cute. I guess this is a wrap for this lookbook for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember, you can always give some suggestions of what type of looks you want to see next. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, God will never leave y'all nor forsake y'all. And yes, I hope to see you guys next time. God bless y'all.
I entered your temple like